Hey there, photography enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the best gadgets and gear for you. Today, we've got something special in store for all you landscape photographers out there. We'll be taking a closer look at the ASHATA Digital Camera, which claims to be the best cheap landscape camera on the market. So, what makes this camera stand out? Well, let's dive right into it. First off, the ASHATA Digital Camera boasts a compact and simple design. It's light, easy to carry, and it's USB rechargeable, making it incredibly convenient for on-the-go photographers. But here's where it gets interesting. This camera isn't just for landscapes. It can handle a variety of scenes, from night shots to portraits, sports events to banquets. So whether you're capturing a breathtaking sunset or your best friend's wedding, this camera has you covered. Now, let's talk about the camera's image quality. It features a whopping 40 megapixels image resolution and records video in stunning 1080p high definition. With 16x digital zoom, you can get up close and personal with your subjects while maintaining clarity. One thing that really stands out about the ASHATA digital camera is how user-friendly it is. It's perfect for beginners, whether you're a novice or a school student just starting out in photography. And it's great for families and friends to capture those precious moments. Need to transfer your photos? No problem. You can easily download your pictures to your computer using a USB cable or a storage card reader. This camera is designed for use in the US, so if you're planning to use it internationally, you might need an adapter or converter. So, please check compatibility before purchasing. Now, let's talk about the price. The ASHATA digital camera is currently priced at just $46.86 on Amazon, which makes it an incredibly affordable option for anyone looking to step up their photography game. But wait, there's more. If you're interested in bundling this camera with some essential accessories, Amazon offers a package deal that includes a SanDisk 128GB Ultra SD XC memory card and a carrying and protective case for just $75.84. Of course, there are other options out there, and we've seen some interesting alternatives. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly landscape camera with impressive features, the ASHATA digital camera is definitely worth considering. So, to sum it up, the ASHATA digital camera is a versatile, user-friendly, and budget-friendly option for photographers who want to capture stunning landscapes and more. With its high resolution and affordability, it's a solid choice for both beginners and experienced photographers. And that's a wrap for today's review of the ASHATA digital camera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more gadget reviews and photography tips. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shooting!